Okay, I have a number of spinners here. This is the subject of the current video. This is the Quadton from VC EDC, and these are some other spinners from VC EDC. I've just got these out for a size comparison. So this is the Triton V2, and this is the mini Triton, the blue one here. It's a little bit smaller than the Triton V2, and this is the micro Triton right here. The Quadton, it's a little bigger. It's not a huge amount bigger than the micro Triton, but it's definitely smaller than the mini Triton. So the Quadton is a pretty small spinner, not quite at the micro level, but pretty small nonetheless, and it acts pretty much like a small spinner. It's easy to play with. Catch it every time either way. And this is the one I'm going to be testing next. I've already done these 3 spinners in previous videos, so we'll put those aside and we're going to focus on the Quadton. So this is the one I'm going to test next to see what kind of spin times it gets. It's the same kind of spinner as these, except it has 4 sides rather than 3. Thus the name. Apparently they call these Tritons, so they have to use that suffix ton and call this a Quadton, even though it doesn't sound very good. So I'm going to test this one for spin duration now. Alright, so on spin times, the Quadton had a couple of little problems. It didn't spin super long. It got an average spin duration of 5 minutes and 49 seconds, which is superior. It's a good spin time. The problem was the variability. It got on one side, held one way, it got around 5.5 minutes, the other way around 4.5 minutes, vertically over 7 minutes. So there's a lot of variability, so it got a pretty good size penalty on that. On appearance, I gave it a 7.5. It looks nice. Feel, I gave it an 8 because it does feel really good, and that's probably what you should consider more than anything else if you like these small spinners. They're not going to spin that terribly long, but it does feel really good. So if you like these little ones, it's a good one to have. Perceived quality, I gave it an 8. And it got an overall score of 6.8, which qualifies it as a good spinner. Not a very good spinner, but a good spinner. But all in all, I'd say it's a pretty nice little spinner to have. It only costs $29.99, and they're sold out right at the moment, but I'm pretty sure they're going to get more of these. You get them on vc-edc.com, and it weighs 56 grams. So, nice little spinner. Not too bad at all, but it's not really a long spinner. Alright, we'll see you later.